Yeah, hello and welcome to this next episode of Graphwise demo applications. Graphwise, a merger between two companies, OntoText and Semantic Web Company. We have built graph-based applications for many, many years, helping our clients to benefit from graph technologies. And now in the era of LLMs, even more graphs are needed to really bring the AI in a good shape, avoid hallucination, etc. And today I will show you how a knowledge model can help you drive this quality you need to make use of AI. So at the center of the demo application or of the demonstration is the pool party knowledge modeling environment that is our server. I'm now going to log in here and start show you around a little bit. And the whole idea really is subject matter experts are able to take a look at the domain model, and with the help of LLMs, they can accelerate the development of the models quite nicely. And then in return, the models really help to automate on the creation of an enterprise knowledge graph, and also helps to drive the quality of a graph RAG application. So we'll show you that in a different video, how this is then used from the LLM side of things. Here, what you see only is the back end, so to speak. So that's where the knowledge modeling takes place. It's not the end user perspective. It's where the subject matter experts typically log in together with knowledge engineers like taxonomies, ontologists, etc. What you see here is the dashboard. Different projects are available here. Let's load a very, let's say, intuitively a project you can intuitively understand. Cooking, everybody knows about cooking. There are different diets, different drinks, foods, different kind of foods, like, for instance, beef dishes, salmon dishes, whatever, ingredients. And then ingredients follow certain diets. So certain diets should avoid certain ingredients. Dishes consist of certain ingredients, etc. And then last but not least, kitchenware can also be interesting, for instance, to select from recipes which you can cook today because you have the kitchenware at home available. So what you see here also is a bit of a metadata dashboard. For instance, which languages are covered. English is default language. I can also activate other languages like German, Spanish, who is the author, short description, obviously also user groups, etc. Can be set. I don't want to go into the details in this episode of the modeling environment. There are many others available which show you all these details. I just want to focus on one element today, which is about how can LLMs really help to accelerate this process of setting up such models nicely. Typically, our clients never start on a green field. There's always some seed taxonomy or model available for each and any domain. You can create a first version by just uploading elements either from own metadata management systems. Excel sheets are typically imported. We have an Excel importer, or just standard taxonomies for all kind of domains in the engineering field, legal, environmental, etc. So there are many ways to kickstart a project, but if you have come to a, let's say, structure like that with quite a lot of elements in it, let's take a quick look. So here are around about 6,000 concepts, plus alternative labels all together, around about 28,000 labels, which later on will also drive the quality of the contextualization, concept extraction, text mining in general. And now let's say you want to expand on the model. For instance, let's take a quick look at some food areas, food classifications, like for instance, spaghetti dishes. I see that just 6 of them at the moment in the model. That's obviously not good enough. So what you can do here now, you can start activate the LLM component, as we call it, Taxonomy Advisor. You can activate it from here. Also, here's a shortcut. So if I just want to add additional spaghetti dishes, I can generate those here, generate narrow concepts. And after a couple of seconds, you get additional one, like for instance, spaghetti bolognese, spaghetti with tomato sauce, spaghetti amatriciana, etc., etc. So I can add those here. At the same time, I can also add alternative labels if I like, and even so here, for instance, spaghetti with bolognese sauce, pasta bolognese, or even a definition. So all that can be curated again. So it's no need to just automate everything and lose the level of quality and just, push it over to the LLM. It's really always the subject matter expert in the loop. You can take a look at the for instance, this definition doesn't look right, so I can delete that if I like and save that. And now, since I'm finished, I have a last screen, a last possibility to review it and finally add the concepts right here. So I have now a new spaghetti dish added, bolognese, one of my favorite dishes, I have to say. So it's probably beside Wiener Schnitzel, one of my favorite dishes. But anyway, so here as a next step, I can also, if I like, add translations. So I can pick from languages supported. In that case, Spanish not yet supported, German, French, for instance, is supported. And this is also an LLM-based translation service now. So you see here, spaghetti, Gerichten, this is not good. So it's not really good German, I have to say. So I will skip that. So this will always happen. If I go to, let's say, carbonara, let's take a look here, if that works better. I have to pick German again, generate the translation. And that looks very good. I would say I can add all of those as translations. Here I can pick a preferred label, and now I have the translations available. Yeah, so this is the Taxonomy Advisor. It's a pretty helpful tool embedded in the pool party modeling environment. So no need to import, export costs, fragments, or OWL fragments from ChatGPT. It's all in the tool, and it's pretty fast. It has a very good quality. We did a lot of research on which model should be used to generate best quality. Prompt engineering in the background obviously is key to success. So it's a quite sophisticated prompt engineering task to be fulfilled in the background. Obviously, all the context around the concepts which have to be enriched with the LLM can be very helpful to make the LLM understand what's really needed. And yeah, so this is one of the latest developments we have in the pool party tool environment. So at the moment we work on 9.5. 9.4 already had several such features included. In 9.5 we will have additional ones, as you've just seen, translation services and things like that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this application demonstration. It's obviously not a demonstrator like HR Recommender or other applications. It's the tool we ship to our clients itself. And I just wanted to make sure you see the latest development around the modeling environment, because here at Craftwise, we really take it very seriously to help our clients, not just to ship the graph rack into the one direction, which is like to support the application. The end users benefit from GraphRack quite nicely. That's what Graphwise can do very well because of the ability to create models like that, but also the other way around, so that LLMs also can help to accelerate the automation and the creation of knowledge models and knowledge graphs in general. So that was the key message of this demo application, or this demonstration of the application. I hope you enjoyed it, and I wish you a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.